What are different shapes of any pin in OrCAD? So this is the schematic symbol. You can see. Uh, just select the pins, right click, edit property. You can see that all pin I have selected in line. The pin length is line only. So you can select a few different options are there like short, zero length. And apart from that, if you select any pin, so you can see multiple pins option are there, clock, dot. Let's see how does it look like. So first of all, line, this one is line. So instead of line, I'm going to use short. Okay, for this pin short. This is bidirectional or something, and I'm going to use, instead of line, I'm going to use even this one is also short. We don't have any option for these. Okay, usually try to keep same short length only so that you can get enough space on your schematic. I'll show when I will place this symbol on canvas. Just go with short. Now let's change, add some more pins like clock, CLK. Okay, for this I'm going to use clock. How does it look like? It's clock symbol. Some other mm, dot, inverter. Okay, this is inverter. Usually when any pin is active low, then only we use inverter. CLK underscore N. So I'm going to use it for, even this is also we can consider a bidirectional. So here dot clock. Okay, that means clock is there, but it is it will be active when it will get any uh, it is active open we can consider. Another option short, we know about short, short dot, short clock. Already we are using short clock, short length, short dot clock. S2, just let's see that already we are using this one. This one short pin. Okay, and one more option remaining, I think zero length. Usually zero length when you don't want to connect, then only you can use zero length. So I'm going to use GND to as a zero length. This is power. Now you can see here, but mostly on symbol might be you cannot see. Let's see how does it look like on canvas on page. Demo 3. Okay, pin number is already exist. Let's see. Oh, so I'm going to use 11, 10, 10. Oh my god, there are a lot of 10. 11, this one 12, this one 13, and this one 14 pin. These all pin numbers and naming you have to select from your datasheet. Close it. Now in the schematic I'm going to place this new symbol which is modified. See how does it look like? Zoom in. This is line, actually short pin. Most of the pin are short. Here you can see the clock pin. How does it look like? And this is clock inverter pin. And this is clock inverter but short. You can see that this is a pin is with zero length, 11th pin. That's how it look like. So you have to consider whether it is necessary or not. So that's how you can use different pin type, different pin shapes in your schematic to make it more clear, to make it more understanding.